All these guys ever do, Hero wants to be able to go outside in the snow. Good job, buddy. Stay over here, okay? Good job. You love the snow? Yeah. Yeah, you're a good boy, huh? Yeah. I'm gonna take it out of four-wheel drive. There's a huge difference between driving four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. So right now it is in two-wheel drive and it's like game-changing. It's absolutely horrible. Like, look at this. I'm like 5 miles per hour right now. Just sliding everywhere. Hopefully this parking lot too, it's empty, but there's a bunch of cameras, so I've done this quite a bit and I haven't gotten in trouble yet, so. Yeah. And then test her out in reverse. And this probably isn't the greatest parking lot because there's so many lights and like poles, but it's like the closest one and most open one closest to my office. So two-wheel drive is and let's see, I'm gonna test it just stopping here too. It reacts pretty well though to stopping on ice. You're just slipping and sliding a little bit, so yeah, pretty good. And then let's put it into four-wheel. Oh shoot, it starts ringing at me. So four-wheel, huge difference. You'll still slide a little bit, but not neat, like it just like you can just feel it grab the road, I guess. And then stop test. Much better. So yeah, testing it out like this made me feel a lot more safer on the highway, that's for sure. Because again, it does slip a little bit, but it like controls very well. So this parking lot, you can tell, so we just had a blizzard yesterday, right? Yeah, pretty bad snowstorm yesterday. We had one earlier in the week and then we had another one. And they had just you can tell they just plowed this parking lot. So I was trying to find one with fresh snow on it still, but this is still like pretty slick, so yeah. Actually, I'm gonna try here with put the ECT on as well. I'll test that out quick. Let's see, throw that on. See if I can feel anything different. It's just quicker, that's really it. So that is just I promised a little glimpse of driving. It's hard because I have to film myself as well as like the outside stuff, and so let's take a little trip around the block. Jeez. Actually, I can turn this off now. Yeah, this Tacoma, it's a beast. I'm sure the Tundra is even better. I'd feel a lot even more safe in that. most of the snow has melted off the roads now because of traffic and because it's 26 degrees, so the roads weren't too bad. There's a few slick spots in Leavenworth, but actually there's like 3 people in the ditch. But I think it's honestly it's just because people drive like idiots. It'll definitely still slide quite a bit, but it corrects very well and like very quickly. It responds very quickly, so I like that quite a bit. So I actually considered taking the mud flaps off because some people say it almost looks like your truck is lifted just a little bit, like gives it that illusion. Just like when I took the front air dam off, it looks like it sits a little bit higher. But the problem is that I live in Minnesota and there's a lot of snow and ice and gravel that would just destroy the paint. So especially in the winter, I could probably do it in the summer, but yeah, in the winter that would not be good because as you can see all the snow that collects on the back of them. So I was almost gonna do that and I was like, yeah, it's probably not a great idea. I just wanted to show you guys how it handles again in the snow after a blizzard, and I'm very confident with the Tacoma. It handles very well. It responds very quickly. It's gonna slide, of course, but the response is like very quick, especially when you stop too. So that makes me feel very safe. Especially, like I said, being in an accident a year ago. Sometimes I just get a little anxious, but I feel very safe. So this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. I'll see you guys in the next video.